always been curious about wind turbines, whether I was driving by them on the highway in awe of their massive size and spinning blades, or seeing them being transported in sections to their place of construction. Some of them were fenced off, others a person could drive right up to one. Kansas being the second windiest state in the United States, it is only natural we see a few wind farms here and there. It was interesting to find out that the first electricity generating wind turbine was a battery charging machine in July 1887 by Scottish academic James Blythe in Marykirk, Scotland. A few months later, American inventor Charles F. Brush built the first automatically operated wind turbine in Cleveland, Ohio. A 1.5 megawatt wind turbine of a type frequently seen in the United States has a tower 260 foot high. The rotor assembly weighs 24 tons or 48,000 pounds. The nacelle, which contains a generator, weighs 57.5 tons. The concrete base for the tower is constructed using 29 tons reinforcing steel, contains 190 cubic meters concrete. The base is 15 meters, 50 foot in diameter, and 2.5 meters, 8 foot thick near the center. Wind turbines can be very large, reaching over 460 feet tall and with blades 180 feet long. Some people have complained about their visual impact. There can be effects on local wildlife, but these can be mitigated if properly monitored and managed. Birds, including some rare species, have been killed by the blades of wind turbines. Although this contribution is relatively insignificant when compared to other manners in which birds might be killed, for every bird killed by a wind turbine in America, around 500,000 are killed each year by feral cats in buildings. Wind turbines produce electricity at between 2 and 6 cents per kilowatt hour, which is one of the lowest priced renewable energy resources. As technology needed for wind turbines continues to improve, prices will decrease as well. Additionally, there is no real competitive market for wind energy, because wind is a freely available natural resource, most of which is untapped. Wind turbines provide a clean energy source, use little water, emitting no greenhouse gases and no waste products. While I was filming, the wind turbine I was closest to started to turn. At first, while I was looking at the monitor, I just thought it was my drone moving. Once I realized the turbine was spinning, I quickly got away from the moving blades. I had no desire to pay for repairs to a turbine blade that can cost up to $125,000. I also happen to like my drone and would like to keep using it.